Chapter 1. Revision. Read aloud. A for ant. B for ball. C for car. D for drum. E for eagle. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ink pot. J for jar. K for kettle. L for lamb. M for mat. N for nib. O for orange. P for pot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sparrow. T for tiger. U for urn. V for van. W for wall. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zip. Chapter 2. How to use A and N. The A and N are two indefinite articles. There are 26 alphabets in English language. A is used before the naming words which start with A consonant. There are 21 consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. N is used before the naming words which start with a vowel. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O and U. Use of A. A pencil. A fan. A sun. A kite. A lion. A dog. A ball. A cat. A mango. A nose. A van. A hen. A fish. A parrot. A glass. Use of an umbrella, an orange, an elephant, an eagle, an owl, an apple, an egg, an octopus, an ice cream. Exercise. A. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Montu has an umbrella and a raincoat in hand. C. Write the names of the pictures you see using articles A and an. You will get 1 mark for each correct answer. Let us see how much you score. D. Match the following pictures in such a way that the name of each picture starts with the same letter. E. Use the code to color the picture. Teacher's Corner. Explain the students about the use of articles A and an by giving some more examples. Chapter 3.
Phonic sound of A.
Bat, dad, lad, mad, fat, hat, can, pan, man. Learning skills: an, at, app, air, can, fan, man, pan, ran, van, bat, fat, mat, pat, rat, sat, cap, gap, map, nap, rap, tap, car, far, jar, par, tar, war. Exercise: A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Teacher's Corner. Read the words with A sounds. Ask the students to repeat them. Chapter 4. Phonic sound of E. Hen, yen, den, wet, net, pet, bed, red, wet. Learning skills: ed, egg, en, et, bed, fed, led, red, ran, shed, beg, cleg, dreg, keg, rat, peg, den, men, ten, den, rap, yen, get, jet, let, met, net, wet. Exercise: A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Teacher's Corner. Read the words E sound. Ask the students to repeat them. Chapter 5. Phonic sound of I. Lip, zip, zip, hill, mill, bill, tin, bin, pin. Learning skills: in, ip, it, ill, bin, chin, pin, skin, thin, clip, drip, lip, ship, skip, tip, hit, knit, lit, pit, sit, skid, fill, drill, gill, hill, kill, mill. Exercise: A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Teacher's Corner. Write some words I sound on the blackboard. Ask the students to repeat the words. Chapter 6. Phonic sound of O. Dog, hot, log, rod, god, mop, god, pot, box. Learning skills: odd, og, op, odd, god, mod, nod, pod, rod, sod, blog, clog, dog, frog, dog, smog, flop, hop, mop, top, shop, stop, pot, blot, cod, flot, god, trot. Exercise A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Teacher's Corner. Ask the students to read some words with O sound. Chapter 7. Phonic sound of U. Duck, pluck, truck, run, bun, sun, rug, bug, jug. Learning skills. Ugh, un, ugh, dug, hug, jug, mug, rug, plug, bun, fun, gun, none, sun, run, duck, huck, luck, muck, pluck, truck, clump, dump, hump, jump, lump, trump. Exercise A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blocks with missing vowel U. B. See the pictures and complete the sentences. Teacher's Corner. Write some words with U sound on the blackboard, then ask the students to read them. Chapter 8. Mixed vowels. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. 1. The girl is playing with a doll. 2. A man is watering the plants. 3. Children love ice cream and chocolates. 4. Children are enjoying with the joker. 5. Buffalo is giving milk. 6. Boys love to play cricket. 7. I go to school every morning. 8. The sun rises in the east. Chapter 9. Singular and plural. When a noun refers to only one, it is said to be in singular. When a noun refers to more than one, it is said to be in plural. 1 cat, 3 cats. 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 ball, 4 balls. 1 hen, 4 hens. 1 goat, 4 goats. 1 pencil, 5 pencils. 1 chair, 4 chairs. 1 owl, 4 owls. 1 book, 3 books. 1 top, 5 tops. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with plurals. Teacher's Corner. Explain the meaning of singular and plural. Use real objects to practice.